Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are here with the new worksheet, grammar articles. A and the are known as articles and is used with words starting with vowel sounds. Example, an apple, an ice cream, an elephant, an umbrella, an ox, etc. Apple, you can see that apple starting with A and is our vowel, so we can write an apple. Ice cream, first letter starting with I and I is our vowel, so we can write article an. Elephant starting with E, so we can write N. Okay. A is used with words starting with consonant word sounds. Example, a bike, a cat, a toy, etc. Okay. The, we use the in front of all nouns describe someone or something specific or unique. जो बहुत ख़ास हो, बहुत स्पेशल हो, बहुत यूनिक हो, उसके लिए हम द यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि द मून, द वर्ल्ड, द सन, द एटमॉस्फेयर, द साउथ, द वेस्ट, द ईस्ट, द नॉर्थ, etc. Example A is add articles and the where necessary. Daniel wanted dash new bicycle on his birthday. New, we can write a new bicycle. N is not our vowel, it's our consonant, so we can write a, so we can write a new bicycle. Okay. Number 2 is Rimsha tasted dash birthday cake for her mother had made. The birthday cake, it's something unique or interesting or something special, specific. The birthday cake. The children have dash new teacher called Mr. Sarim. The children have a new teacher. Okay, a new teacher called Mr. Sarim. Okay, next is all pupils must obey dash rules. The rules. Dad turn on the radio to listen the news. Dash dog ran after me. The dog ran after me. It's noun, so we can write the. The teacher read dash interesting articles from the newspaper. Interesting starting with vowel, so we can write an interesting articles from the newspaper. There was dash huge crowd of people outside the mosque. There was a huge crowd of people inside the mosque. Sana talked for dash hour about her school project. An hour. An or sound a, so we can write an. Here H is not our vowel, but the sound when we speak or it's our a sound produced, so we can write an hour about her school project. Next is dash European expert was invited to speak to the committee. European, E is our vowel, but when we speak European, the sound produces Y, European. So we can write a European expert was invited to speak to the committee. I hope you understand this. You have to complete exercise B like that. I hope you understand this. We will see you with next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.